Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with your HubSpot CRM, so you can bring your task management and your customer relationships together all in one seamless workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to connect these two platforms, letting you view and manage ClickUp tasks right from your HubSpot dashboard. This means no more switching back and forth between different tabs, and a lot less chance for things to fall through the cracks. Let's dive right in and get your tools working hand in hand. First things first, a quick heads up. In order to use this integration, you'll need a valid ClickUp subscription. So if you're still using a free plan or just considering ClickUp, make sure you've upgraded before following along. Once that's sorted, we're ready to connect everything using HubSpot's native integration system. Start out by logging into your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in, look at the main menu on the left side of the screen. What we want is the app marketplace. This is basically HubSpot's library for all kinds of add-ons and integrations. Click on it and you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in ClickUp and you should see the ClickUp app pop right up in the results. Go ahead and select the ClickUp app from the list. Now, before installing, it might show you a quick overview of what the integration does. You can skim it, but we're going to walk through it all together right now. When you're ready, click that Install button. The installation process is straightforward, but this is where you'll need to authorize access between your HubSpot and your ClickUp account. HubSpot will ask you to log into your ClickUp account if you're not already logged in on your browser. Then comes the authorization step. This basically means you're giving HubSpot permission to talk to your ClickUp data, which is essential for the integration to work. You might see a list of the permissions needed. Don't worry, this is a standard part of any app connection. Just double-check you're using the right accounts and hit Authorize or Allow. Next, HubSpot will prompt you to choose which ClickUp workspaces and lists you want to sync. If you have multiple teams or projects in ClickUp, this step is important. Think of workspaces like separate rooms in your office and lists as specific to-do boards within those rooms. If you only want certain projects or client lists to show up in your CRM, select just those. This keeps your HubSpot clean and focused, and it means you're not overwhelmed by too much information. Take your time to get this just right. You can always update your choices later on. After you finish that step, the integration will start syncing, and this might take a moment, especially if you have a lot of boards or tasks. Don't worry if it seems slow at first. Once everything's set up, here where the real magic happens. Head back to your HubSpot dashboard, open up a contact, a company, or a deal record, and you'll now see a ClickUp section right there. This lets you view related tasks, get updates, and even jump over to ClickUp with a single click. So not only is all your client and deal info in HubSpot, you're also keeping your project management in sync. It's a major time saver and a great way to keep your whole team aligned without needing to constantly hunt down updates in two different systems. And just like that, you've connected ClickUp with HubSpot CRM using the native integration. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop them below in the comments. I'm always here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more simple, practical walkthroughs, and I'll see you in the next video.